Could humans survive the Triassic? The Triassic period was a time of recovery after the devastating Permian extinction, but humans would still face significant challenges. The land was dry and arid, with vast deserts stretching across much of the supercontinent Pangaea. Predators like Pastosuchus, a large reptilian predator, and Colophysis, a fast, bipedal dinosaur, roamed the landscape, hunting smaller creatures. Water sources were limited, and in the seas, semi-aquatic reptiles like Nothosaurus would have made fishing and gathering resources risky. Plant life had begun to recover, with ferns, cycads, and early conifers starting to dominate the landscape, offering some resources for humans. However, the climate was unstable, with frequent volcanic activity and a fluctuating environment. Survival would be a constant struggle, as humans would have to contend with dangerous predators, a lack of reliable food and water sources, and the challenges of building shelter in a desert-like environment. Could humans survive the Jurassic? The Jurassic period would be a time of great challenges for human survival. The land was dominated by enormous dinosaurs, both herbivorous and carnivorous, and dense forests of ferns and conifers. Allosaurus, a massive carnivore, would be one of the greatest threats, while humans would also have to contend with giant herbivores like Stegosaurus and Apatosaurus, whose sheer size could crush anything in their path. Even smaller predators, like Velociraptor, would be dangerous due to their speed, intelligence, and pack-hunting behavior. The climate was warm and humid, with frequent rainstorms creating swampy areas and thick jungles. Volcanic activity was common, further adding to the instability of the environment. The oceans, home to marine reptiles like Liopleurodon, would also be treacherous for humans, making it difficult to find food or water sources. With dangerous predators, volatile weather, and environmental hazards, survival in the Jurassic would be nearly impossible. Could humans survive the Cretaceous? The Cretaceous period was a time of remarkable diversity in both plant and animal life, but it would present extreme challenges for human survival. The land was populated by some of the largest dinosaurs ever to roam the Earth, including Tyrannosaurus rex, an apex predator with powerful jaws and keen hunting skills. These formidable creatures posed a significant threat, making any attempt to navigate the land perilous. Large herbivores like Triceratops and Brachiosaurus could also be dangerous due to their sheer size and strength, creating an environment where humans would need to be constantly vigilant. The Cretaceous seas were no safer, teeming with aggressive marine reptiles like Mosasaurus and Plesiosaurus, which dominated the waters. Attempting to fish or gather food from the oceans would be risky, with powerful predators lurking beneath the surface. The climate during this time was warm and humid, supporting lush vegetation, but it also contributed to severe weather patterns, including storms and flooding. These environmental conditions would further complicate survival, as food sources could be disrupted by natural disasters. The period is famously known for the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, which marked the end of the dinosaurs. This cataclysmic event, likely caused by an asteroid impact, would have drastically altered the landscape and decimated the majority of life on Earth. The sudden shift in climate, combined with volcanic eruptions and the fallout from the impact, would create a hostile environment, making survival nearly impossible for any species, including humans. Could humans survive the Paleogene? The Paleogene period marked a significant transition in Earth's ecosystems following the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. The landscapes were transformed as the dinosaurs disappeared, giving rise to new mammalian life forms and the eventual dominance of mammals over the planet. However, this new era would still present substantial challenges for human survival. With the extinction of many apex predators, smaller mammals began to thrive, but the environment was still in flux. The climate varied from tropical to temperate, and the remnants of the dinosaurs left an imprint on the ecosystem, with new predators like entelodons, massive pig-like creatures, becoming significant threats. In the oceans, newly evolved marine mammals began to adapt, but the seas still harbored dangers from large sharks and other predatory fish. While the introduction of flowering plants and more complex ecosystems would provide more resources, humans would still need to navigate these changes carefully. The rebuilding of ecosystems would lead to increased competition for food and territory, making survival a constant struggle. Additionally, the climate was subject to significant fluctuations, including periods of cooling and warming, leading to environmental instability. Despite the opportunities for resource gathering and shelter, the Paleogene period would remain a harsh and unpredictable environment. Humans would have to adapt quickly to survive amidst the changing landscapes and the emergence of new predators, all while facing the ongoing threat of natural disasters and competition for dwindling resources.